usually always do the left side. So I did the probability that they had ham. And if you go over here, ham, yes, 0.44. Are they equal? They're not equal, which remember, if they're not equal, they are not independent. So I always get these ones confused, but you have to remember them. These ones are really important. Okay, so now we're going to go over expected value. Remember, this just means mean or MX. The only difference is that for this one, it's called expected value because you have two lists. So remember this one. So right here, it says calculate and interpret the expected value of X, show your work. So basically what you're doing is you're just multiplying these two and adding it to every single one. So we did 0 times 0.15 plus 1 times 0.42. So you just do that for all of them, and then you put in the calculator, and then that's what I got for this one. Okay, and so if we have a missing one from the chart, how we find it, it all has to equal to 1. So what we did here, it says write the event that student has seen exactly 3 Home Alone movies using probability notation, then find the probability. So this one's the one that we have to find. It didn't give us the answer. So what we did was we added up all of these, and then it gave us that answer, 0.92. And then you have to subtract it from 1, and we got 0.08, and that's how we got 3. So that's the probability for that one. Okay, now for standard deviation, this one you can either put both lists onto the calculator, and then you have to do a certain way to get the standard deviation, or you could do 0, which is right here, it's list 1, minus 1.43, which is your expected value, times 0.15. So you're kind of going to do that like same thing. So now you're going to do 1 minus 0.43. You do 0.43 every single time. And I forgot to say, you do it squared too. So you're going to do 1 minus 0.43, minus 1.43 squared times 0.42 plus 2 minus 1.43 squared times 0.32, and you're going to do that all, and then you square root everything, and you get that. But there's also a way to put it in the calculator, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so you're going to do stat, you're going to do 1 or edit, and then you're going to enter in your list 1 and 2, and then when you're done, you're going to do second and quit. Okay, so next you're going to do stats, you're going to go to calc, you're going to do one variable stats, you're going to do calculate, and then it's going to give you all of this information, but you just want standard deviation of X. So that would be your standard deviation. Instead of doing all of that work with the square root and all of that, you can just do it this way.